This review is for the Kaihaowin 3-piece Pliers Set. I purchased this item for my residential electrical projects as a D.I.Y'r. I find the combination of the linesman pliers with the wire strippers allows for a very streamlined renovation approach. The 3-piece set is very nice due to having the wire strippers on all 3 pliers. Each tool is weighted very well and feels well made, and I believe will hold up through my entire project. Here I was just showing stripping a simple ground wire, now showing each of the tools that comes in this 3-piece set. Each one of these tools comes with a holder that you can attach to a belt or a tool pouch for ease of separation on each tool. They're canvas and very well made to hold up to drops or tears. I recommend this product to any D.I.Y'r that is working with pigtailing or cutting wires, installing outlets and switches, and any other electrical projects around your house. I think this will be a very good purchase to hold on to for many years